It's giving gourmand, girl. Nobody told me anything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Deja, and today I want to share with you guys some of my favorite body care products that I've been loving recently. Only have a few, but I was like, I have to share them because I'm obsessed. So let's get into it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. It's giving makeup, it's giving self-care, it's giving hygiene, it's giving all of that. All the girly things that you need to know. First, we're starting with these exfoliating gloves. These are like my favorite things ever. I honestly just feel like if you don't have an exfoliating rag, gloves, whatever a net, whatever you need an exfoliator, especially it's about to be summertime soon, so you can find these at the dollar store, Target, wherever. They have brush, they have nets, they have rags, whatever you need. Just get yourself something to exfoliate. I feel like the girls don't talk about Dow enough, because the Dow soap bars are so immaculate. Like, they just make you feel squeaky clean. When you want to feel squeaky clean, get yourself a Dow bar, either the gold or the white one. I use both. If you have dry skin like me, be careful because it is drying, so make sure you moisturize. I don't think it's necessary to use every single time in the shower, but I feel like, you know, you might. I don't know, it just depends, but this will make you feel squeaky clean. Like, Dow does not come to play. Odor wear, smell wear, you will smell like literally nothing but clean. That's it. Pair these two together, real fresh. Then I have this PhD boric acid foam wash sensitive. This is my first time trying this, and I do like it. I don't use it all the time when I'm in the shower, but I feel like around that time of the month that you can really use this. I like the VH Essential ones a lot, and obviously the Dove sensitive soap bar. Those are like my two favorites. I haven't had any issues with it, and I actually really do like it. I could see myself repurchasing it, but I definitely like this for around that time of the month. I just feel like you feel clean and you feel fresh. We need that. Nobody told me anything. Like, this OGX Soothing Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. If you like the smell of coffee, you're gonna love this, but I also feel like once you actually use it, it smells like vanilla, like obviously coffee, but it just unlocks other components once you actually get it wet and suds it up. It smells so freaking good. It's giving gourmand. It's giving gourmand queen. It's giving, if you like vanilla and you like coffee, I feel like you would really, really like this. Nobody told me nothing. Okay, this is a repurchase. Like, this is a new fave right here. And honestly, I was shocked because I like to use my Dow bar and then go on with another soap that smells good sometimes. I was shocked that this added moisture back in my skin. I think it's because it has coconut oil in it, so I really like that. And it has beads in it, but the beads honestly dissolve. They're not harsh on your skin or anything like that, so really like this. Fire. Then of course you can't go wrong with the body scrub. This is the Dove body scrub, crushed cherries and chia milk. When I smelled this, I fell in love. I was like, this smells so good. It smells fruity. It just smells so freaking good, and I actually love this product. Like, I was sleeping. I would see it all over social media, but I never actually like purchased it or got it. This was actually gifted to me, but still in love. Still will go repurchase, like repurchase like this. Yeah, it's not too harsh, it's not too rough on your skin, so if you have sensitive skin or anything like that, you don't have to worry. This is so nice. It smells good, it feels good. I love it. Then we have this queen right here. This is the Nivea cream. This is not Nivea lotion. Honestly, anything Nivea is absolutely amazing, but this is the cream. This is the thick cream. It don't move, okay? This, I use it on my body, on my face. I used to use it a while back, but I stopped. But here we go, we're back, and this is so amazing. If you want shiny, soft skin, moisturize all day, I'm telling you. And they come in little tins too. If you go to Target, they're like $1 something, $2. And honestly, when I'm on the go, I just take this, fill it up, keep it pushing. Best moisturizer for your body and your actual face. I have sensitive skin and I haven't had any issues. I put my mom on, she got some, hasn't had any issues. So yeah, Nivea is really that girl. And lastly, of course, when you get the shower, you gotta put on a bomb fragrance. Now, I have so many favorites, but right now, this YSL Libre, girl, nobody told me anything. Actually, y'all did tell me something. TikTok told me everything I needed to know, but I still was like, it's probably giving old lady. Like, it's probably not giving what I would want. And finally, I honestly have to put this down because I'm gonna use it all. I'm gonna use it all, okay? This is just so good. I don't even know, like, the notes. Let me read the notes. Yeah, actually, I feel like this is such a fall winter fragrance, but it's, me personally, it's giving all year round. And the lasting power, y'all, the lasting power is ridiculous. Like, why does my jacket that I haven't worn in like a week still smell like it? Like, I hung it up, I'm in the closet, and I'm like, I smell my perfume. It's my jacket. It's literally my, like, it doesn't, unless you wash your coat, it's not going anywhere. It's staying. And that's yup. Okay, it's a floral fragrance with lavender, orange blossom, musk, vanilla. It's just it's warm, it's sexy, it's just it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm sorry, like, right now this is my favorite. And I was like, ugh. Like, when I go on my cabinet to put on perfume, I have to literally stop myself from picking this up. It's just hard. It's hard out here. Okay, this smells too good. I know I'm kind of late, but yeah, I was right. Okay, that was the end of this video. I know it was quick, but I just had to share my favorites really quick. All of these I would definitely repurchase, and all of them will be linked down below. These right now is in my rotation, and they're not coming out no time soon, to be honest. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. Thank you guys for tuning in, and that is it for this video. Bye.